Ich bin hier in Grünheide.
Tesla Giga Berlin today got a big support from German Vice Chancellor and Economy Minister Robert Habeck, who explained on an Instagram video how Giga Berlin is the advantage of Germany. In a moment, I'm going to play his Instagram video, which I downloaded from Instagram for our Torque News viewers. But let me tell you the translated version of the text that accompanied that video. Friends, that video is in German, and I'm hoping that many of you may understand German. I don't understand German, but I couldn't find the translation of his speech. But there is an accompanying text which I'm about to tell you. And if you guys want to translate it from German and write in the comment section below, I would greatly appreciate it. So German Vice President and Chancellor Robert Habeck today posted on Instagram talking about Giga Berlin. Looks like he is in Giga Berlin, and he says this Giga Berlin factory shows that renewable energies are an advantage for Germany as a location. It shows how we can also really get up to speed with major projects in Germany, and it's also another part of our efforts to use renewables to make us independent of fossil fuels, and thus first and foremost independent of coal and gas. So this is exciting development. He also said, as of today, Tesla is building electric cars in Germany. For me, the opening of the new factory in Grünheide, meaning Giga Berlin, in Brandenburg, stands for more than electric cars and new jobs. And then he explained that the factory shows that the renewable energies are an advantage for Germany, basically explaining why the electric vehicles are advantage, and Tesla Giga Berlin is an advantage for Germany. So Robert Habeck is a German politician and writer serving as Vice Chancellor of Germany, Federal Minister for Economic Affairs and Climate Action, and as a member of the German Bundestag for Salzburg since 2021. You know, gas supply crisis fears grow as Germany triggers early warning. Today I read in Al Jazeera and Reuters, and now they are emphasizing Tesla, Giga Berlin and companies like that to be less dependent on fossil fuels and more independent from coal and gas. So let's hear Robert Habeck and in German, and we will continue.
Ich bin hier in Grünheide. Das ist die neue Tesla-Fabrik, die gerade aufmacht. Da drin laufen gerade die Autos vom Band. Die sehen dann so aus wie die Dinger, die hinter mir stehen. Und drei Sachen sind dazu vielleicht besonders zu sagen. Erstens, es wird investiert in Deutschland. Große Fabriken werden hier gebaut. Wir haben das gerade letzte Woche gesehen, wo eine nächste Batteriefabrik eine Standortentscheidung angekündigt hat in Schleswig-Holstein und Intel sich entschieden hat, die Chipproduktion hierher zu bringen nach Deutschland, und es wird weitere Erfolge geben. Und der Grund ist unter anderem, dass wir so viel erneuerbare Energien haben. Wir haben viel Energie, aber sie sollen eben grün sein. Das sind inzwischen Standortvorteile, und das wird immer mehr zu einem Wettbewerbsvorteil. Zweitens, die Fabrik ist in einer großen Geschwindigkeit gebaut worden, und das sollte uns Vorbild sein, denn wir müssen schneller werden. Wenn wir so weitermachen, Windkraftanlagen 7-8 Jahre brauchen, bis sie genehmigt und gebaut sind, dann schaffen wir unsere Klimaziele niemals. Stromnetze, erneuerbare Energien, die Transformation der Industrie, jetzt Tempo, 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 Tempo. So müssen wir vorangehen. Und drittens, es sind elektrische Fahrzeuge. Ich stehe jetzt hier in der Sonne, während in der Ukraine Menschen sterben, und wir darüber diskutieren und wir dafür arbeiten, uns unabhängig von Putins Öl zu machen. Unabhängig von Putins Öl ist der erste Schritt, sich unabhängig von Öl insgesamt zu machen und von Kohle und dann auch von Gas. Das ist die Aufgabe unserer Zeit. Wie machen wir das? Erneuerbare Energien installieren. Wind und Sonne, sie zu speichern in den Autos oder in anderen Batteriesystemen, sie umzuwandeln in andere Energieträger, um damit die Industrie zu transformieren. Der Tag, an dem eine Batteriefabrik für elektrische Fahrzeuge aufmacht, ist ein schlechter Tag.
Well, this is very interesting indeed. So let me know, friends, your thoughts. If you understand German and you would like to translate this in our comment section below, I would greatly appreciate his speech. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and see you soon in our next Tesla report. The big question right now about Tesla Giga Berlin is when or whether Tesla is starting to deliver more Model Ys, selling more Model Ys from Giga Berlin. Because we know it's easy to start production, but it's difficult, very, very difficult to start mass production of vehicles, especially in a newly built Gigafactory. And now you're seeing a very unique image that is a little bit telling. You're seeing these two trucks that are from Tesla Giga Berlin, and it seems that they are starting to remove or to move Model Ys from the Giga Berlin. But we don't know whether Tesla is moving the Model Ys from Giga Berlin that are pre-production Model Ys that Tesla cannot sell, and if yes, where are they moving them? What is going to happen to those 200 plus or extra Model Ys that Tesla built? Or maybe these are serious production of Model Y already getting ready to go to sale. This image is shared by Jürgen, who tweets at GF for Tesla, but credit goes to the Wolfpack Berlin. It's probably from their video, so the credit is due here. And but the good news is that if Tesla is bringing these trucks, that means Tesla is very serious, or the serious production of Model Y is very near. And as I've today also, I have an interesting video from Tobias Lind, who has been flying his drone over Giga Berlin, and he has places there that you can see Tesla is preparing a huge parking lot. I assume those are for the Model Y deliveries that we see at Giga Shanghai and in other Gigafactories. Well, you know, after the speech, looks like Tesla is actually going to have new colors at Giga Berlin. After the speech Elon Musk delivered to Giga Berlin workers at the Gigafactory's grand opening on March 22nd, the Tesla CEO took many questions from the audience. They covered various topics, including Tesla's expansion to other markets, new product launches, new battery technology, and more. One of the questions was about the new body colors that will be available from Giga Berlin, seeing as Musk previously said the plant would have the world's most advanced paint shop with more layers of stunning colors that subtly change with curvature. The chief executive of Tesla confirmed two new special body colors that will be produced at Tesla's first European plant, red and silver. Here's what Elon Musk said. We have to be careful with the total number of colors, but we are going to make some more special colors here, and it's about more than the color itself, but the layers of paint in order to get the diminuality. We're going to make a very special red, which I think probably a lot of people have seen. It's like 13 layers of paint. The layers give the paint dimensionally and make the color look deep and complex. And then we will also have a silver with not as many layers. I think 8 of something. It's still going to be really special kind of liquid silver. So this is very exciting that Tesla is going to have new colors at Giga Berlin, and it's very exciting that Tesla is bringing these trucks to start moving Model Y vehicles from Giga Berlin. But is Tesla going to move the old pre-production Model Ys that were for tests and Tesla cannot sell, or are they for delivery of serious production of Model Y to new owners that will translate into sales and improve Tesla's bottom line? What do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please subscribe to our channel. This is Armin Hari. I'm from TalkNews.com, as I have lots of interesting news coming today. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.